Left 7 walk 1 2 quarter 3 kick 4 side cha-cha reverse back cha-cha second 8 coaster step 3 4 5 6 taxi start taxi turn 1 2 3 bump 3 4 5 put down your weight on right then you do the point and touch 6 7 touch 8 4 quarter right turn 1 touch step step now down 5 6 quarter left 7 8 last 8 taxi turn half left 1 2 2 bump 3 4 don't put down your weight don't put down your weight cross point 5 6 7 8 body roll turn left and start again 7 walk 1 2 quarter kick side cha-cha reverse turn left quarter 3 4 5 6 7 8 quarter 1 2 bump 3 4 5 6 7 8 quarter right 1 2 3 down 5 6 taxi turn left taxi half turn 1 2 bump 3 4 cross point body roll and start again walk 3 7 8 walk walk quarter kick side cha-cha reverse turn 1 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 quarter right 1 2 3 4 5 6 taxi turn 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 half 1 2 bump 3 cross point 5 6 7 8 okay end of the wall 3 you do the tap for 8 count quarter left turn step touch diagonal step hitch and rock back 7 8 this is the tap okay after wall 5 我这边讲完了okay from here is the wall 7 24 count you do the 24 count 7 walk 1 2 3 kick 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 now you hold 9 hold 10 2 count then continue the second 8 coaster left 1 and 2 side behind side step 7 third 8 3 2 3 4 5 6 restart 1 2 so wall 7 and wall 7 short wall 24 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 coaster step 1 and 2 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 and 3 5 6 10 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2